Hello there, I hope you guys are doing alright. My life has been quite a mess lately. I've been looking desperately for a new apartment because I'm trying to settle down. And I know I haven't posted anything on this channel for a while because I took some time to think about the future of this channel and the type of content I want to share. So of course I will continue to share behind the scenes, the way I work from the idea to the photo shoot and the retouching process. Yes, I will try to share in the future some of my techniques, the way I retouch my pictures and the way I color grade them. But I have to wait for that because I want to share quality stuff here, and you know, it takes some time to do that. I've been experimenting a lot lately with my dance and sports photography, but I need to experiment furthermore before I share with you guys my process, the way I approach this type of imagery. So quit talking. During this sports session, I wanted to make a sequence shot with the luxury of having full control in post. Usually you do this in one shot with a long exposure and your flash firing multiple flashes during the opening of your curtain and before it closes. This makes the sequence, but the problem is with only one image, you cannot manipulate and change the opacity in post. So what I did is really simple. I took multiple shots, opened everything in Photoshop, and did a lot of masking. Yeah. Ça va bien? C'est génial le Havre. T'y arrives-tu? Merci. Ouais, du coup il faudra éteindre, je pense. Ring that bell if you don't want to miss my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. I'm trying to hypnotize you. Subscribe. Oh, I forgot. Until next week, have a good one. Woo! You want to break my camera?